The company, GS Machine Factory Limited, Travnik, has been privatized in October 2004 on the foundations of machine repair production plant in Slemena, former Grand Military Business System, Bratstva, Novi Travnik. Bratstva was one of the leading brands in the machine industry in the area of former Yugoslavia. By continuing centuries-old tradition of metal processing in central Bosnia, we at GS-TMT Limited apply high standards in the production of machine parts. Steel processing requires high precision, especially professional staff and continuous supervision, including the love for this profession. We produce parts of highly sophisticated equipment for production for the European, particularly German manufacturers, on the most modern machines for metal processing. Our production consists of the following processes: sandblasting, cutting, welding, machining, corrosion protection, and product quality assurance. And the entire process is controlled via ERP system SAP. With the aid of the world's leading information system manufacturer, all processes within the plant are mutually connected. GS-TMT Limited is in majority ownership of family company Global Sourcing GmbH from Regensburg, Federal Republic of Germany. The product that we are particularly proud of is frames and parts for electric bicycle Ruffian. Produced and painted frames are sent to Germany from our factory to our sister company, The Rough, where final assembly and delivery to worldwide customers is made. One of our greatest resources is our employees. The company GS Machine Factory Travnik pays special attention to work protection of our employees, as well as to development of constant education programs. We have implemented Standard of Work Protection ISO 18001. So we work daily to increase employee awareness in terms of increasing the degree of protection at work, health, and environment. With the great commitment of our workers and investing in the latest technological solutions, we have achieved a high rating in the European market of machine parts. We achieved this status through multi-year investment into development of our most valuable resource, our employees, through construction of new capacities, through introduction of necessary standards, purchase of modern equipment, and continuous monitoring of market trends and demands.